Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your laptop run faster. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos, turn this down, better way to say. So yeah, let's start. If you want the timestamps for each method, I'm gonna leave them right now and in the description of course. And in this video I'm going to show you 4 simple methods that you can pretty much do on a regular basis, every day, every week or every month, whenever you want. And it should take maximum 5 minutes to do those methods. So this is really worth it if you want to speed up your laptop. And in this video I'm not going to show you any complicated methods on how to speed up your laptop, such as power optimizations or power options or some regedit changes. I'm not going to show you all of that because it could be difficult for some of you. But in this video you will see that I will show you some very simple methods that you can pretty much do on a regular basis. So let's get straight to the video. For the first method, you need to go to the %temp folder. Head there, right click to start and click run. And here you need to type %temp exactly as I have it, hit OK, and on your computer you will see that you have maybe thousands and thousands of files and folders, and it could range from literally 1 kilobyte to 5 gigabytes, I do not know that, but there could be lots and lots of files if you have not accessed this folder never in your life. So what you need to do, if you have lots of files and you want to check all of them, Ctrl A on your laptop and it should select all the files. Then what you need to do, right click and click delete and it should delete the files. If you see that some files did not get deleted, it's because Windows needs them at the moment and it cannot be deleted because it's probably using them. And yeah, that was method number 1. Let's head to method number 2. For the second method, you need to go back to the run box, so right click to start and click run. And here you need to type temp but without the percentages. Write temp and hit OK. And you will see another folder with thousands and thousands of files. Again, do the same as previously. Ctrl A on your keyboard, right click and click delete. As you can see, 2 of the files cannot be deleted because Windows is using them right now. And if you see that lots of files did not get deleted because Windows is using them, check the option right here that says do this for all current items and click skip. And that was literally method number 2. Let's head to the third method, and for the third and last time we're going to go to the run box again, so right click to start and click run. But here you need to type the word prefetch exactly as I have it, hit OK. And once you access the folder, if it gives you a window that says you need permission to access this folder, just click continue and it should let you in. And here you will see again maybe thousands of files or very little files, and do the same as previously. Ctrl A to select everything, right click, click delete and it should delete everything. And again, some files may not be deleted because Windows is using them. Check the box right here and click skip. And that was method number 2. So for the last method, we're going to use the software that Windows has by itself, and it's called Disk Cleanup. So to head there, click start and then write Disk Cleanup and it should pop up this right here. Click Disk Cleanup and it should pop up this window. Now right here you will see some options, and what you need to do, you need to check all the options, you need to check every single one, and you will see that the total amount of disk space is going to be, I do not know how much, it could be very little or it could be very high. And after that you need to click OK and then click delete files. It should take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how much there is to delete, but I'm not going to do it because it's literally 30 megabytes, so no need to do it. Once the files have been deleted, head back to Disk Cleanup and you need to click the option that says Clean Up System Files. If you click that, it's going to calculate the amount that there is to delete. It should take a few minutes as it says here, so you have to wait. Once this search has been finished, you will see the same options again and some different ones. And here what you need to do, you need to check every single one again, except the one that says Windows Upgrade Log Files, because it says at the end deleting these files can make it difficult to troubleshoot installation issues. So if you do not care about that, just simply check it and you can delete that as well. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to check the other options except the one that I told you. And as you can see, we will save 250 megabytes, but it's not about only space, it's about how to speed up your laptop. And after that, click OK, click delete files, and again it should take a few minutes or seconds depending on how much there is to delete. And yeah, I'm gonna cancel it right now because 250 megabytes, it's literally nothing, and I've been doing this almost every week or so. And yeah, that's everything. That's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!